In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up sub-accounts in QuickBooks Online. Before we jump in, here's what we're doing and why it matters. Sub-accounts let you organize related transactions under a main or parent account. For example, you might have a parent account called Utilities, with sub-accounts for electricity, water, and internet. On your reports, the totals roll up neatly to the parent while still giving you the detail you need. This keeps your chart of accounts clean and your financial statements more insightful. Let's get started. First, open QuickBooks Online and look for the gear icon in the top right corner. That opens your settings and lists. From there, choose Chart of Accounts. This is the central place where all your accounts live, and it's where you'll create your sub-account. In the Chart of Accounts, click the New Account button at the top right. This opens a form for the account you're creating. Start by entering the name of the sub-account exactly how you want it to appear. Clear, consistent names make your reports easier to read later. Next, select the account type and the detail type. The account type determines where the account appears on your financial statements, things like assets, liabilities, income, or expenses. So pick the one that best represents what you're tracking. The detail type refines that classification and helps QuickBooks place the account correctly for reporting and, if applicable, for tax mapping. If you're unsure, think about what the transactions will represent and choose the closest match. Now, check the box that says Sub-Account. When you do, QuickBooks will prompt you to choose the parent account. Select the parent that this sub-account should roll up under. Make sure the parent is the right category and aligns with the same general account type. This ensures your reports are grouped correctly and totals make sense. That's it. You've created a sub-account and it will now appear indented under its parent in the Chart of Accounts. On your reports, you'll see the sub-account's activity summarized beneath the parent totals, giving you both the big picture and the detail. A few tips as you build your structure. Plan your naming conventions so similar sub-accounts are easy to scan. Keep your hierarchy simple. Too many layers can make reports harder to read. And choose account and detail types thoughtfully because they influence how your numbers flow to the balance sheet and profit and loss. And there you go. That's all you need to set up sub-accounts in QuickBooks Online.